Welcome to this tutorial on updating URLs and text in your WordPress site. In this session, you will learn how to quickly and efficiently make changes to your website content using WordPress's built-in site editor. Begin by accessing the WordPress website in your favorite browser. Once you see the homepage, notice the login option located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on that login button to start your sign-in process. After clicking on login, you will be presented with several sign-in options. Look for the button that says Continue with Google and select it. When you do so, a list of your available Google accounts will appear. Choose the account that you normally use to manage your WordPress site. This method of authentication not only speeds up the process, but also ensures that you maintain a secure session while working on your website. Once you are signed into your WordPress account, direct your attention to the quick links section on the dashboard. Here you will find a variety of shortcuts to help you navigate your site's editing tools. From this section, locate and click on the Edit Site option. This action takes you to the site editor interface where you can make modifications to your pages, links, and text. Within the site editor, identify the specific link you wish to change on your website. A simple click on the chosen link should allow you to focus on that element. When you click the link, the system highlights it, preparing it for editing. This step is an important precursor to making any modifications and ensures that you do not accidentally alter other parts of your site. After selecting the desired link, look closely for a small pencil icon that signifies the Edit tool. Clicking on this icon will open the editing interface for that particular link. Within this interface, you will notice several editable fields. The system allows you to change not just the visible text, but also the underlying URL and the behavior associated with the link. Take a moment to review all the options available to you in this editing window. Once you have made your desired adjustments to the text, URL, or link behavior, look for the Save option. A careful check of your changes is advisable before saving to ensure that everything appears as intended. Once you are confident that your modifications are correct, click on Save to finalize your changes. This action will update your website with the new information, reflecting the modifications in real time. This tutorial has guided you through the process of logging into your WordPress account with Google credentials, navigating the quick links section to access the site editor, and finally locating, editing, and saving changes to a specific link on your site. If you ever need to update another URL or simply modify text within your WordPress pages, you can follow this same step-by-step process. For more detailed guides and additional editing tips, you might refer to the information available on Double. By following these clear and concise instructions, you can confidently manage and update your WordPress site. Enjoy the simplicity and efficiency of this process as you continue to enhance the functionality and aesthetic appeal of your website.